In its wisdom, the NEC decided as follows. 1, to recall its deployee, Comrade Jacob Zuma, in accordance with Rule 12.2, Rule 12.2, 21.2 of the ANC Constitution, which accords the NEC the authority to recall its deployees. There should be continuing, we agreed also that there should be continuing interaction between officials of the ANC and President Jacob Zuma. And the decision by the NEC to recall its deployees was only taken after exhaustive discussions. And the decisions of the ANC provide, we believe, certainty to the people of South Africa at a time when the economic and social challenges facing the country require urgent and resolute response by all sections of society.